Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Bhanwala. So today I am going to give you one update. So there are some vacancies have been out from Bureau of Indian Standards. So see this advertisement. So this is a Bureau of Indian Standards. So that comes under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. So that is a government job. And as you know that Bureau of Indian Standards is the national standards body that is responsible for activities in the field of standardization, product and system certification, hallmarking of gold, silver, jewelry and laboratory testing. Now, it is also responsible for standardization and certification at the international level. So some posts have been advertised by BIS, okay, for scientist B. For scientist B in various categories, I will say in various branches, the posts have been out, okay, and the I will say the total gross salary is that is 87,525 at New Delhi. Now, the number of posts are 28 in number. So now see, these posts are for, I will say, those students who have valid gate score, so they can apply for these posts. So see the eligibility criteria here. First one is a civil engineering. So there are total 13 posts of civil engineering, and accordingly general, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. So the classification is given. And for instrumentation engineering also 2 posts, environment engineering 2, chemistry 7, textile engineering 4. So there are total 28 posts. So this is the advertisement, and I will also provide you the link of this advertisement in the description also. So these branches are eligible: civil, instrumentation, environment, textile and chemistry. And what is the essential qualification? So that is bachelor's degree in engineering or technology. So that is BE BTech, not less than 60% marks. Not less than 60% marks. And for scheduled, for SC ST it is 50%. Okay, for general, EWS, OBC, so that is 60%. BE BTech में होना चाहिए, और SC ST के लिए कितना होना चाहिए? That is 50%. Okay, so corresponding you will say that is gate paper code should be what? So that is civil engineering में होना चाहिए आपका gate exam आपने civil engineering में लिखा हो, instrumentation में लिखा हो, environment science and engineering ES में लिखा हो, textile engineering and fiber science में लिखा हो, या फिर chemistry में लिखा हो CY. Okay, so accordingly for these posts, so this is engineering, so that is BTech. Those students who have done BTech in this and having the valid gate score in these branches, having valid gate score of which years? So that is 2019, 2020 and 2021. So your gate score must be valid on 25th June 2021, which is also the last date, closing date of application. तो आपका जो gate score है वो valid होना चाहिए इस date तक. Am I clear or not? तो इस डेट पर वैलिड होना चाहिए आपका गेट स्कोर. नाउ केमिस्ट्री के लिए मास्टर्स डिग्री होना चाहिए नेचुरल साइंसेज में, और इक्विवेलेंट होना चाहिए केमिस्ट्री डिसिप्लिन में विद नॉट लेस देन 60% मार्क्स. For general, EWS and OBC, and for SC ST it is 50%. So similar criteria, gate score होना चाहिए आपका. Okay, किसमें दिया हो गेट? आपने केमिस्ट्री में दिया हो. CY is the paper code. So gate, all of you know that is graduate aptitude test in engineering, and the age limit, maximum age limit is of 30 years. So reservation rules will be applied, okay, for SC ST candidates and for other categories also. So reservation rules are, so you can read this. Okay, so relaxation in upper age limit, okay, so shall be as notified by central government from time to time. Now selection procedure. So selection procedure will be on, I will say that is shortlisting of candidates for personal interview will be based on the valid gate score 2019, 2020 and 2021. So those students who are having high gate score in these disciplines, as I have discussed earlier with you, so they can apply. Okay, and after on the basis of this these gate score, तो आप अगर आपने गेट 2019 में दिया है, 2020 या 2021 में दिया है और आपका हायर गेट स्कोर है, तो आप अप्लाई करें इसमें. और इसका जो नेक्स्ट देन इसके बाद शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग की जाएगी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर गेट स्कोर. देन उसके बाद आपका एक पर्सनल इंटरव्यू भी होगा. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, जो भी बच्चे शॉर्ट लिस्ट होते हैं, दो स्टूडेंट्स हु गेट शॉर्ट लिस्ट, so your PDF can help you, I will say, in personal interview round. So you can seek the help of your PDF for interviews. In case of tie with 2 or more candidates having same gate score, the seniority in the merit will be decided on the following criteria. So that is gate percentile. Okay, So these are I will say some of the main points you can read. So selection procedure will be, that is gate score and personal interview. Personal interview will be there, and after that there will be DV, that is document verification process. So for number of candidates to be called for interview will not be higher than 4 times the number of vacancies in the concerned discipline and category. Okay, so final merit list, how they will prepare, that is 85% weightage to gate score and 15% weightage to the marks obtained in the interview. Okay, so in interview you can seek the help of Yourpedia. Then how to apply? So starting date is 5th June and last date is 25th June. So this is the website. Here you can apply, and the application fees is very nominal, so that is rupees 100 only. And no fees is to be paid by SC, ST, ex-serviceman and person with disability or women candidate. Okay. Then there will be probation of 2 years. So posting will be anywhere in India. So this is the advertisement. I will also attach this advertisement in the description also. So these are some general instructions. Yes. Now this is general instruction regarding essential qualifications. Okay. So जो आपका डिग्री होना चाहिए, corresponding gate paper code CE होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए अगर वैकेंसी एडवर्टाइज्ड है तो सीई में आपका गेट होना चाहिए सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में ही, और आपका जो बीटेक होना चाहिए वो भी सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में होना चाहिए. Okay, so similarly for instrumentation also and environment also, chemistry also and textile, you can read this. Okay, so this is the advertisement, students. So how to apply, that is already given in this advertisement. So all these things are given in this advertisement and you can apply. So those students who have a high gate score in these branches, they can apply. Okay, and the salary is very good and probation is of 2 years, probation period is of 2 years. So you can apply for the scientist B post in BIS, and for 15% I will say, that is for interview, you can seek the help of Yourpedia. So thank you, students. Keep watching Yourpedia. Please, if you like this video, please like and share it more, and please subscribe Yourpedia Education. Thank you, students.